closer. I think he's sinking. Come on.
Oh, look at
They close your mind.
Yes! Yes!
Now watch, I bet he'll put his butt up in the air so that he doesn't have to put his knees in the grass. I've seen him do that too.
Oh, your retreats. Retreats.
Oh, Brady, come on. Don't whimper. Don't be a wimpo.
Brady, come here.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh,
Retreat.
come on.
He's
Come
too
here,
scared.
Brady.
Unbelievable.
That's funny.
It's kind of nice because he doesn't travel all around. When you get on all fours, see what he says.
Put my hands in.
He's like, what do I do? How do I get there?
You can do it.
You can do it. You can do it.
Come on.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on tonight.
Come on, Brady.
Come on. Come on to Papa. Go to Papa. Papa's nice.
That's your way out.